show you how to make a tree, a freeform tree, one that is all natural. Okay, so let's get to it. Hi guys, we're going to attempt to make a tree using a round nose pliers and bent nose pliers, 18 gauge wire. You can use 16 if your hands can handle it. It'll make it more sturdy. But once I'm done hammering this will be nice and stable anyway. So you need 54 inches and you're going to fold it in the middle. I just drew this out. This isn't going to look the best at first, but we're going to finesse. So that's good. It's all good. When I want to create a curve going this way, make sure that my pliers go into where that point is, where I want it to go. And then I pull that around pliers. And now on this side, I'm going to put the point of the pliers in that corner there. So now what I'm going to do is take this right at that corner edge. Bend that straight down. Take this piece right here and bend that straight out. And this will work for anything that you draw. If you're doing a freeform type shape. Okay, hard part's done. Now we just have to get this shape so that it looks like a nice tree. Not exact, but you know, that's the beauty of nature. Trees are not supposed to be exact. Alright, it's time to hammer. I'm going to use my Fretz hammer because it's domed. See how it convex. We don't want to hammer this part here. We just want to hammer the tree. So we'll do this side first. There we go. Now that will be the back side. And now we have a tree. Isn't it cute? Now you ask, what on earth are we going to do with the extra wire? You'll have to come back for next week's video. I wanted to show you how to do a tree. I did a freeform flying goose. If you want to see something like that, let me know. This was just a practice piece. I think it needs 2 wings. You could do a goose. You could do butterflies. You know, whatever you want, whatever your heart desires. So there's your tree. I hope you enjoyed this. And you will come back for next week's video to see what we make with this. It's going to be really cool. We're going to use a can of pineapple. And some 26 gauge weaving wire. So that's a hint. Alright? Love you guys. Bye-bye.